Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making an easy appetizer with salami, cheese, and olives. That's pretty much what it is at this point. You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of basil just broken up with your hands, a cup of garlic vinaigrette, about a cup of cubed up salami, or if you find the smaller links, you can just cut those up into tiny chunks. About a cup and a half of Havarti cheese, also cubed. Little Gerkin pickles, about a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and about a half a cup of green olives. Well, pretty simple, right? And the olive oil is a just-in-case item, but we'll talk about that in a little. So you know the drill. Let's go. And honestly, the assembly is simple. I'm using 2 jars that have a lock on them that I used for pickled vegetables before. You're going to be putting some of the salami in each. Good handful of the olives in each. A little of our basil in each one. Same thing with our pickles. And you're going to want to put chunks of our Havarti in. And just keep layering these jars until all the ingredients are used up. And once they're both full of our ingredients, we're going to take about a half a cup each of our dressing and pour that into each side until it's all gone. Okay, we've filled them up probably about halfway of our dressing, and we're just going to top that off a little bit with our olive oil. You don't need to make it totally full like you would pickling, but it does add a nice flavor to it and helps preserve it for a while. These are going to be going into our refrigerator for a couple days, where we can keep them up to a week. They are the perfect little appetizers or snacks when you want that oily Italian thing. Shake them up a little. Shake this one up a little bit. Make sure it's all mixed up. Like I said, they can go into that fridge for a good week, week and a half. But we'll try them out in a few days. So see you then. I have to say that all the flavors in our jar pair together lovely. The pickles give you a vinegary little pop. The sun-dried tomatoes give you sweetness along with the basil. The salami gives you a nice salty flavor. And cheese, of course, gives you a creamy factor that cuts off some of the vinegar. This is a really good little appetizer, and it was so easy to make. There's so many good ingredients in it, too. So if you have any thoughts, have made something like this before, think I did something wrong, think I did something right, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and tell me what you think in the comments. And as always, I will see you next time. Okay, our anti-pesto stuff has been marinating for almost 3 days. I've stirred it up, taken some out. Now it's time to try it out. Got a good pickle, some of our sun-dried tomatoes, salami. Get a little bite to try it out.